Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into a true automotive legend, a car that has defined a genre and captured the hearts of millions across Europe and beyond. We're talking about the one and only Volkswagen Golf. So, what makes this humble hatchback so special? Let's turn back the clock to 1974. The automotive world was a very different place. VW needed a successor to its iconic Beetle, a car that was modern, efficient, and practical for the times. Enter the Golf MK1, designed by the legendary Giorgetto Giuliani. It was a revelation. Its sharp, angular lines, front-wheel drive layout, and versatile hatchback design were a complete departure from the Beetle's rear engine. Air-cooled past, it was an instant hit, offering a perfect blend of style, usability, and fun-to-drive character. But Volkswagen didn't stop there. Just a couple of years later, they gave us the Golf GTI. This wasn't just a car, it was the birth of the hot hatch segment. By dropping a more powerful fuel-injected engine into the lightweight Golf chassis, VW created a performance car for the people. It was quick, agile, and affordable, proving that you didn't need a massive sports car to have a thrilling driving experience. The GTI became an icon in its own right, a symbol of accessible performance that competitors have been trying to replicate ever since. As the years rolled on, the Golf continued to evolve. Each new generation brought more refinement, more technology, and more safety, all while staying true to its core principles. The MK2 grew in size and comfort, solidifying its place as the definitive family car. The MK3 introduced new safety features like airbags and a more rounded, modern aesthetic. Then came the MK4, which really pushed the Golf upmarket. The interior quality was a massive step up, with soft touch materials and a level of fit and finish that rivaled cars from premium brands. It felt solid, dependable, and sophisticated. This is when the Golf truly cemented its reputation as a classless, car-driven, and loved by everyone, from students to C. It was just as at home in a university parking lot as it was outside a fancy hotel. This trend of continuous improvement carried on through the MK5, 6, and 7. We saw the introduction of advanced technologies like direct injection engines, dual-clutch DSG gearboxes, and sophisticated driver assistance systems. Volkswagen also expanded the lineup with variants like the practical Golf Estate, the spacious Golf Plus, and the exhilarating all-wheel drive Golf R, which took performance to a whole new level. Now, we have the 8th generation Golf. It's the most technologically advanced Golf ever, with a sleek digital cockpit, intuitive touch controls, and a full suite of connectivity features. It is a testament to how the car has adapted to the digital age, while still retaining that essential Golfness, that perfect balance of practicality, quality, and driving enjoyment that started it all back in 1974. From being a simple, honest hatchback to becoming a benchmark for quality and innovation, the Volkswagen Golf's journey is truly remarkable. It's more than just a car. It's a cultural icon that has been a part of people's lives for generations. It has consistently delivered what people want, often before they even knew they wanted it. That's why, after nearly 50 years and over 35 million units sold, the Golf remains Europe's iconic hatchback. What's your favorite Golf generation? Let me know down in the comments. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more automotive stories. See you in the next one.